This channel is about economics. Economics was discovered in the 18th century as a science with no clear purpose. Economics was discovered from a book that explained how a nation creates wealth. Wealth was described in terms of goods and services that people create in the country. Economics, thus discovered, did not address any issue or any problem faced by humanity, nor it addressed any issue that was of interest to nature. Economics just addresses national income and employment of labor, both unnaturally defined. Economics never addressed any problem that humanity faced or any purpose that humanity desired. Economics is therefore a lifeless science or a dead science with no real purpose. This channel will bury the science that we discovered or that was discovered as economics in the 18th century. And this channel will rediscover economics as a science for humanity for 21st century. The reason is that economic philosophy and economic thinking conflicts reality. World is now searching for a post-Samuelson economics. Let us see what Samuelson economics is teaching and why it is lifeless science. Economics is a science to explain how economy of a country works. Economics tells us that economy makes a country to create wealth. And wealth of a nation, the way economics defined, is nothing but the market value of goods and services that economy of a country creates. Goods and services thus produce, when they are exchanged in market, they become national income. Now let us discuss a little bit on what is economy and how it works, which has become a basis for the science now called economics. Economy is that part of the country where people produce goods and services in self-interest. People decide what to produce and how to produce and for whom to produce. These people then employ labor and capital to produce goods or services that makes income for the people when they are exchanged in the market. People need capital to initiate production of goods and services that people desire. Capital makes people to hire labor to produce goods and services in the way people like to have the production. Capital thus enables to create employment of human resources called labor. This is the economic thinking. I am just describing how the economics is currently understood. Economy thus needs capital to make national income and full employment in the country. That is the topic or subject of the science of economics. Capital in Samuelson Economics, Samuelson, who is the Nobel laureate and is considered father of modern economics. Capital, in his view, is nothing but financial capital created by interest rate. This is all economics in a nutshell. Who needs this economics? Who benefits from national income and full employment in the way they are defined in the science of economics? This is the question that one always has in mind but has not been able to raise. in scientific forums. Economy in every country is moving in directions that hurt nature. It hurts nature. The way economy is working, it is hurting the nature. It is hurting the humanity. Hunger and poverty keep growing in every country, despite growth in national income. Full employment, the way economics describe and is worried about, has no relevance when when we see a little more than 50% human resources working on wage, becoming wage slaves, and about half of the human resources in working age sit idle, neither working nor looking for work. Economics ignores this situation. This is not the issue of economics. And why not? Science of economics has never been able to address this since it has been discovered in 18th century. It is now 250 years that economics have been applied, has been used, has been taught, has been studied and applied just to know how national income is made and how it creates full employment. Full employment has no relevance when 50% of the population in almost all countries, even in the most developed countries, 30% of the population, they remain neither to work to earn any income or to give any benefit to humanity, nor they are looking for work. That is how economics report. And economics does not like to discuss this as a part of economics. It is considered as outside economics. Economics teaches that economy can exploit people, and it will not be bad because it will increase the national income. Economics is not worried if economy concentrates wealth in few hands. And economics is not worried if a large number of people face hunger or poverty, or if income inequalities grow in the country. Economics is not worried about it. But isn't it these economic problems? They are of course economic problems. What do we mean by economic problems? What do we mean by economics? Economics has been discovered to focus on wealth of goods and services. But this, what we just discussed, has no relevance for humanity, for people, for the nature, or for how to survive in this world. So let us think over it for a while, and then we move further. That what do we want from economics?